Hey Moneymakers, it's Joshua Bellinger, and today was triple witching in the financial markets. Now, normally on the third Friday of every month is options expiration. Well, today happened to be where it's triple witching expiration. So usually an interesting day on the floor, but everything's electronic now. But I do have something that I wanted to share with you, a nice interesting trade and some activity that you'll be able to take advantage of on Monday. Let's take a look here. So right now I have a chart of Dell Technologies. Now, I always keep the right side of the chart wide open. Why? Because we got to figure out where the puck is going. We need to figure out where prices are going to go higher. A coin flip isn't going to make us money. So what we try to do is figure ways to make profits. So one of the things that we came across today on triple witching was some interesting activity in the August contract here. So I call this under market activity. Under market, why? Because we have the top of the market here, which is stocks, then we have derivatives, which is under market activity. What we're seeing here is positioning. There was 9,900 contracts that traded on the day here. And they traded in the 52.5 contract in August. So those have 63 days to expire. And if we can identify if they're being bought or sold, then we can kind of understand exactly what's going on here in this little piece of the puzzle. So if we just take a quick peek here, now I am able to do this in real time, but because we have time and sales here under this, I can help walk you through exactly what we're looking at here. So when the market was 160 by 180, somebody bought 5,907 contracts, a big chunk, big block. That wasn't you or I. That's somebody with some deep pockets, and they paid $1.80. So that is that right here. Now we know that these are new contracts that are established because open interest is 2 contracts here. So we know that these are bought, and I can identify that with the NBBO, which is National Best Bid and Offer. So right here, 160 by 180, we know that they're being bought here. So positioning wise, we know under market, someone's positioning. People buy calls for only one reason, because they think prices are going to go higher. They have 63 days. 63 trading days for this to work out. So right now they paid $1.80 and they are looking for that $1.80 to go higher. Now if they don't, if nothing happens, if they're wrong, then they lose the $1.80. But obviously if you're going to put money down and you're going to put $180 per contract and you're going to do that 5,900 times, and we see that there was more buying, so almost 9,900 contracts traded here. So we're going to see that open interest reflect on Monday. There's substantial positioning here that somebody is putting on money, putting real money into the marketplace. We see that and identify that, and they're putting that in their thinking, and they're looking for the fact that prices are going to go $52.50 within the next 63 days, move higher. Now we can look to understand the probabilities of that, and we can look at the delta here. We can times that by 2. So there's about a 60% probability that prices will touch that in the next 63 days. So if you just take a look at a chart here, and we look at the recent high was right here at 53.67, and then a previous high of about $59. Again, what we're looking at here is that somebody over in this white area is predicting that prices are going to be moving higher, probably within the $55 range. They're not looking to hit it just $52.50, but they're looking for prices to go higher here. So decent amount of money right here being positioned for the next 63 days that prices will go higher in Dell Technology. Now there's a couple different ways to play it. You can buy the calls. It's a little expensive for smaller accounts. You can hedge that. You can hedge it off by selling the upside call against it. You can even position a little bit further down by buying the 50 call and selling the 52.5. But you play it the way you want. I can only help you get into the opportunities and look to make money. So we've had an awesome 6 weeks in following this type of activity and in these services. We've been able to accumulate over 350% gains, closing out the last 5 of 6 positions. We have been following some awesome activity. There's no better time right now than to be in the marketplace. So listen, if you haven't joined with the service that I have and I provide, you need to. You need to get started today. You don't want to miss the next trade. We have one coming on Monday. You don't want to miss the next trade. This is one for you to watch as well, but Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you next week. Take care.